Well, I'm back, guys, and here's how to use a golden malted waffle maker. So first, get your pancake batter into a cup, as demonstrated here. With this fine example being at WSU's dining hall. And then you do the fun spray. You then grab the other bottle when that spray bottle is empty.
Well, it's not empty, it just wasn't coming out though.
So spray both sides, and then pour the batter on the bottom. And then once you have enough, you close it and turn it over.
Try not to close it so hard that it makes a mess on the side.
Yep. And then it will cook for 3 minutes. And we'll be back when it is done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then it's done. And you may open it to your waffle. And then carefully try to remove it. It also seems like it got a bit short, somehow.
Might have had some stuff on there.
Which, I haven't had that happen before, but oh well. And then, you may cut it if you desire, as demonstrated. And then, if you shuffle the camera, I will demonstrate the syrups.
Well, that's better.
Oh yeah. And we're going to do some toppings, as in we can also add in some delicious butter to the waffle.
Oops.
Well, don't do that.
12-second rule.
Well, you know. If you need to do a waffle, welcome.
I was going to say, it seemed like it had quite a bit. I've been stubborn and made a half a waffle.
It's a good tip, but there's not enough batter.
Yeah.
Alright, and then you may syrup the waffle. I recommend doing lots of syrup.
You can fit it in the holes.
Yes. Fill it up like it's a nice little syrup cup.
Yeah, try to leave her some though.
Yeah. Don't eat up the entire place's syrup.
Try not to get on the below plate.
At most only half. Yeah, gotta make sure some for the next guy. Or gal.
There you go.
Alrighty, and then after you turn it off, make sure to keep the plate under it for the maximum syrup potential. And then there you have a nice, delicious waffle. And the end. And that is a really good waffle. And the end.